Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. My supplies and equipment are down in the description box and most of them have links, so check that out. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified of new videos. So let's get going. I'm just randomly going to put these, and they're traveling this way. So I'm just going to put down, this is teak wood. Well, that's pretty. All right, this one is butterscotch. I kind of want to do this watermelon, but I think it's too bright. I want these fall looking, so terracotta I think is the better of the choices. And I'm going on the theory that if I put more white in there, it'll be a little thicker and go over that decently. I did all right. A little one right here. So I'm not going to try to make it go wide as much as I am, maybe just narrow and fill in that spot exactly. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I like this terracotta. It's not one I use often though, but I do like it. Although I think use less of this to get that rusty color. I think this might be our last one. Maybe brown right here. A little bit of brown right there. I just want to make this one bigger. I really don't want to add another one. Now, that looks like a leaf. Right there. All right, that was easy enough. Okay. Let's see. I kind of want to put my stems in. I'm going to do them in brown. I want to be like, not like a bouquet of flowers, but kind of. Those are just some random ones. Do those any way you want. All right. I kinda, instead of doing black, I may do brown. We'll see what that looks like. Let's do this one. No, let's do this one first, because this one's coming up. If I did this, yeah, I think I like the brown. Yeah, I'm liking some of this. So, yeah, probably going to voice over the rest of this. That TV's come on. All right, we are about done, and I appreciate you hanging out and watching for a little bit. I hope this gave you some good ideas to go out there and kind of play and create your own art. So go have fun.